What's going on, everybody? It's Gilberto, your marketing specialist here at Pure Plumbing and Air. And I just want to talk about what's going on around Nevada and the wildfires that's currently going on. Before we start off, I just want to give a big thank you to our first responders. Your dedication and your bravery does not go unnoticed. And we just want to give you a thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Wildfires don't just devastate the area they burn, they send smoke in tiny particles. And these particles travel hundreds of miles. You might notice that the skies look hazy, or you might feel it in your chest when you breathe. And the scariest part is, this can have a long-term health effect on you and your family, even if you're indoors. And that's where Pure Plumbing and Air comes in. Right now, protecting your home's air quality is more important than ever. We offer solutions like advanced air purifiers and filtration systems that can help remove harmful particles from the air inside your home where it really counts. Whether you're thinking about the health of your children, elderly family members, or anyone with asthma or respiratory conditions, clear air isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. The fires might be out of your control, but the air you breathe inside your home doesn't have to be. Give us a call at 702-534-1910 to book your $99 AC tune-up with 2 free filters.
Plumbing and air, when you've got to be sure, call Pure.